Hi there, students. To cool your heels. I think the basic meaning of this idiom is just to wait, but for a variety of different reasons. John, you're really angry. You're shouting at everyone. Go to the other room and cool your heels for a few minutes. Take time and calm down. And that's clearly one of the ways that this "to cool your heels" is used. He's really upset. He needs to cool his heels. He needs to wait a little bit. He was drunk and disorderly, so at the moment he's cooling his heels in jail. He's waiting, especially impatient, restlessly, something like that. I went to do an interview with the CEO of this company, and I was left cooling my heels for hours waiting for him. Okay, so here, to cool your heels, to be left somewhere waiting for a long time, to be kept waiting for a long time, particularly as a discourtesy where they're showing you that they don't really think very much of you. The President of the United States left the President of Ethiopia cooling his heels in the anteroom, waiting for hours before they could talk. So he's showing him, I really am not interested in what you're saying. Yeah? Okay, and that's the idea. So to cool your heels, to calm down, to wait or to be kept waiting. Let's see. If you need to be patient about something happening, maybe you cool your heels until it happens. Let's see. I knew that this experiment was going to be successful, but it was going to take a long time. So I cooled my heels in the cafeteria and came back to check just from time to time. So here it's waiting patiently. Okay, so to cool your heels, to calm down, just cool your heels. Go sit somewhere and cool your heels. He's cooling his heels in jail. I asked for a meeting with the boss and was left cooling my heels outside his office in the corridor for an hour before the secretary let me in. So they're being depreciative. They're saying, you're really of no interest. You're of low status. To cool your heels, just to wait for something to happen. If you take your exam and then you have to wait a month for the results, you need to cool your heels and not worry about it and go and do something else until your exam results arrive. So, how formal is this? I think I'd give this a 4 in formality. Yeah, to be kept waiting, to calm down, something like that. So don't use this in a semi-formal or a formal writing. And the origin, well, I guess the idea is you've been walking a lot and your feet are hot, so you have time for your heels to cool down. I guess it's probably not a brilliant link, but it seems to work. Okay, so cooling your heels, calm down. He got really angry. Now he needs to cool his heels. I get the feeling that Mr. Trump is cooling his heels somewhere out of the way. Okay, so calm down. Be kept waiting for a long time, or just to wait for something to happen. Yeah, to just let time go by until it's the right moment. Okay, so to cool your heels. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I hope you're not kept cooling your heels anywhere.